I'm blue, 𝕬𝕚𝕬𝕓-𝕤, 𝕬𝕚𝕬𝕓-𝕤, 𝕬𝕚𝕬𝕓-𝕬𝕚𝕬𝕓.
Alright, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can live stream on a PS4 sub account using a master account. If you sub right now, I'll give you a cookie in the next video. Alright, so once you load up your game on your sub account, you're going to switch to your master account and you're going to load up the game that you want to stream. It's already going to be loaded up, so all you need to press is the share button once and you'll see a sign saying broadcast gameplay. Choose which one you want to use. I'm obviously going to use YouTube. Here are some stream settings you can tweak. We have some tags, some quality 1080p. You can change the description, you can put whatever you want, and you can put whatever you want for your title. I'm going to be showing how you can change this later because this might take a while using your controller. After you're done with that, click start broadcast and then press your power button and switch user back to the account you want to stream on. Once you're back on the user you want to stream with, go back in your game. It should still be loaded. And as you can see in the top right hand corner, you're now on air. When you feel like you've had enough, when you're done streaming and you want to stop the broadcast, just hit the power button, switch the user back to your master account, go back on the game, it should still be loaded. You'll get this message, press either the power button or the share button once, and click stop broadcast. The broadcast will then be saved to your YouTube and it'll be saved as a video where people can watch it. You can always go back and delete it. As you can see, when you switch back to your sub account, the stream is now ended and it'll be up on YouTube. If you're streaming and you want to change your description or your title, head over to your laptop or your computer, go to Creator Studio on your channel, and click on live streaming. From there you can see your live stream. It'll be either under events or stream now, and from here you can change your thumbnail to anything you want, any of your downloaded or saved images. You could change your title or your description to whatever you'd like. It's a lot easier to change your broadcast settings on a laptop or desktop than on your console because the controller is a huge hassle to deal with. Anyways, if this video was in any way helpful to you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already.